Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too.
What's your name?
My name is Lena. And you?
I'm Robert. Nice to meet you, Lena.
Nice to meet you too, Robert.
Where do you live?
I live near the park. And you?
I live on Green Street.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I work in a shop.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m. and you?
I start at 8 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I go home, eat dinner, and watch TV.
That's nice. I like reading books in the evening.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't. I relax at home. And you?
Sometimes I work on Saturday. So, Lena, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:30 in the morning. And you?
I usually get up at 6 a.m.
Do you go for a walk or do some exercise?
Sometimes, if I'm not feeling lazy. What about you?
I do yoga most mornings. It helps me stay calm and fresh.
That's nice. I should try that too.
You should. So what do you do after waking up?
I make coffee, check emails, and get ready for work. Pretty basic.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was. Have a nice day.